大家好，欢迎来到 Mandarin Monkey.
Welcome to Mandarin Monkey.
今天 Tom 要来帮 ULA 化妆。
I certainly am. I'm going to do her makeup.
耶，我好开心哦。好。
Okay, so we have got 9. You've given me 9 items, right?
对，所以第一个字你必须要知道的就是化妆 ，which means cosmetic.
Cosmetics, yeah.
Cosmetic.
Makeup, right?
Makeup 对，化妆 and those items you put on your face is 化妆品。好，所以现在我完全没有化妆 ，you can see it just.
I've got lots of makeup on, but
yeah, I said pure ULA. 好，所以。
So I've got 9, as you said, I've got 9 items of makeup on my right hand side. I don't know which one's which, but I'm going to guess all the time, and we're going to teach you along the way, right? You happy with that? Okay, here we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to firstly grab this thing here, it's a sponge. I'm just going to, like that, just for the cleaning of the nose. And then I'm going to go for the primer.
妆前乳。妆前乳。
By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of these makeup things. We just went to grab them this morning. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to stick it on your face first. And you do this one bit, and the other bit. You look like an American football player now. I don't know why it's actually doing nothing. Which one's doing nothing?
Okay, 所以这个动作叫做涂。
Just a tool. So what do you mean? Like apply? Does that mean apply?
Yeah. 所以你在涂妆前乳在我的脸上。
I grab some more of that. I think you need some more of that. Let's get out there as well.
好，所以Tom 现在正在涂妆前乳 on my face， 在我的脸上。
So tool, just to be clear, would be to apply.
对对对。
So do you tool everything? Do you?
其实 apply 英文只有一个字，但是中文有不一样的字。
I think you're primed. I think you're thoroughly primed now. You've got some serious priming. Okay, so I've applied primer now. You're all primed up.
再来你要干嘛？我很害怕。
Now I am going to go for foundation. SPF 30, so it protects you from the sun.
对。
Foundation.
在台湾有很多的cosmetic 都是 anti-UV 的，因为
Yeah, because it's 100, right? Because
对啊。
我们有很多太阳。
对，好，所以你就是把这个 foundation 叫做粉底。
粉底, that's
对
foundation.
是的。
Okay, so you are going to look like a joke, but
台湾一下。
for natural sort.
这样我
Or just a little bit, maybe, like a little bit. Not
对
too
对
much.
对对。
Really, I'm not a big fan. Too much makeup on your face.
Like party.
Yeah, great.
好，所以这个动作 this action 也是涂，所以你涂粉底。
Again, we're applying, right?
对，在我的脸上。
Is that third tone?
涂second.
Second tone.
涂。
There you go.
Just let you know， 我们这边的女生 really like pale skin.
It's kind of opposite in the UK anyway. A lot of the women put darker foundation.
所以在做这个职业的人 who do makeup at work，
对，
他们叫做化妆师。
It's a makeup artist.
对。
Oh, by the way, next I'm going for the powdered foundation.
powder 就是粉饼。
粉饼 okay.
粉饼，对，这个动作是擦粉饼，擦粉，擦。
Sorry, I'm deep into it now. I'm a master at this. I'm just trying to do this well. I don't want to make you look like.
好，
So that's the foundation done. Okay, now I'm gonna go right ahead.
I don't think you should worry about my 眉毛。
Okay, but what I'm gonna do, eyeshadow.
所以现在是我的眼睛是吗？
对。
Okay.
Your eyes. Eyeshadow. There's a bunch of colors. So we've got like cream and pink, and another pink and another pink and another pink and a different pink and then a green and a few browns and another
这个叫做眼影。
Okay, they've got 2 brushes. I don't know which one to use, so I'm gonna go for.
加油。
What color should it be? I reckon it's gonna be. I like this little pink here.
这个叫做眼影。
This is yen ing. What's the ing then in that? What's the ing?
影就是 shadow 影子。
Oh, so it literally is then. It's
对。
literally is literal translation, right? Eyeshadow.
对啊。
Okay. You're gonna have to go into school like this, you know. After this, we have to go pick up our daughter from school,
Yeah.
and
You might not like it.
you just have to go in Tom makeup, which is amazing.
Me? Why?
Funny face. Funny face.
这个 action 是擦眼影。
I'm gonna do it now, but with the brush nose. I'm gonna just start here. What?
没有。
I'm
哦
gonna blend in
你很累啊呢。
on this side.
哦，我那个意思是有，你好棒。
I mean, I'm looking at them. Okay, I think I should go under the eye. I'm just gonna start, right? Now, give me a second now.
我好害怕哦，
What?
因为你用很多，你用3个颜色。
Yeah,
哇，
because that wasn't right.
不够明显。Not obvious.
No. So it's just, I want a clear blend.
Is it like 画画跟画画一样吗？
Great, yeah. Okay, open your eyes. Too much. Okay. So, let me just put that down.
好，所以接下来你要做什么？
That's eyeshadow. 等我一下。
eyeshadow again 是眼影。
眼影。
Yeah.
I'm going to go straight in for the blusher, the blush.
哦，我的脸颊 for my cheek.
Yeah, that's correct. You shouldn't have said that, but yeah.
哦。
Blusher.
对耶。一卷头。很贵。
I think you can go really wrong with blusher. I'm gonna do this little trick I learned in the
这个
army.
叫做腮红。腮红。
This is Sai Hong. So is it always red though? Is that why you say Hong?
对啊，红。可是它也有粉红 pink， 也有其他的红。
Mate, you look like you've been running. That's great.
Yeah. 要自然哦 ，natural， 对不对？
Yeah, trying. It's not great, but you know.
哦。
Okay, that's blusher.
腮红。
I'm gonna go for the eyeliner.
哦。
Oh, this might help your eyes.
OK， 这个是眼线，所以线就是那个 lines。然后这就是 eyeliner 眼线。
Also, this is gel eyeliner.
对。
Okay, my God. Here we go.
好，现在他正在画，这个动作叫做画 ，to draw。
So you draw this on, you don't apply this.
No， 你画，因为这就是跟画画一样啊 ，you draw with pens, right？ 所以，我其实嘴巴不能。
Sorry, I'm covering her mouth.
没关系，我有左边的嘴巴。
你看看。Sorry, cut off.
OK， 他现在画我的眼线，让我的眼睛看起来大一点。You really outline my eye.
Close a bit.
好，另外一个。
Right, sorry, you should talk really.
但是
No, stop moving.
我想再说一次，这个是画眼线，
What are you saying?
听懂吗？
No, I can't say that. Okay, and now we can stop.
我再说一下，这个是画眼线。
Okay, say it again. Okay, no fun, say. Okay, just say it.
画眼线。
Okay, I'm gonna go for mascara now. So this is gonna be an interesting one. I'm guessing it's. Do you roll it, right? Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Use your logic. I should look down. Okay.
Oh my God, I'm scared. Can you look not straight?
OK， 这个叫做睫毛膏。
What's funny?
等一下，
Oh, that one's better, I think. Stop it.
It's really difficult not to shake. I had surgery.
You can speak on it. I'm not touching your mouth. Oh.
I had surgery to pull my bottom eyelash down.
Your eyelid. So there's the mascara.
所以这是睫毛膏 and you 擦睫毛膏。
Ta.
对。
Okay, so not to again. So to is apply.
对。
Ta, you
一
like.
样是 apply， 但是这是不同的中文字。
Okay, lastly, I think this is the last one. We've got lipstick, aka lippy.
这叫做口红。口 is the
Mouth,
mouth 口 and 红 just color 红口红。
Got it. Here we go. Lipstick. Now, I'm gonna do this a little bit differently. So I'm gonna start up here. No.
No.
I'm gonna do it. How do I see it? It's something like this, right? Right, something like that.
Why is that inward?
What? Kiss your lip, like. Keep your mouth shut. Keep your mouth shut.
所以再一次，那个叫做口红。
口红。
Even though that is not red， 但是你还是可以叫它口红。
Okay, then you
and
apply it.
you 涂口红。
So it's 涂 again.
对。
Okay, got it. All right, so should we get a close shot of your face to see the
好啊。
result?
我觉得，
All right.
还不错，我喜欢。
Really?
It's not too bad, not as bad as I thought， 但是 Happy Halloween。